Hello guys, my name is Peter, and in this tutorial I'm going to take you through on how to do assembly using nasm, eclipse and mingw. So to get all of these requirements we need to do some installation first. So go to this link to install nasm, which is short for netwide assembly. Copy the link, go to your browser, paste the link and navigate to that page. Now when you are in this page you will be able to download the nasm. So after you have done that, I'm not going to install it because I already have it. You need to also install Eclipse. Just follow this link and you'll be able to get your IDE. Go to your browser, paste the link, navigate to that Eclipse website. That now you'll be able to download Eclipse. After you have downloaded Eclipse, you also need to install the JDK 1.8. You cannot work with Eclipse without installing JDK 1.8. Browse to follow this link, go to your browser, paste the link, once you are on this page, I'll recommend, if you are on a 64-bit operating system, I'll recommend that you install this one. This one is for 64-bit. Actually install this one if you are on a 64-bit. If you are on a 32-bit, make sure you install this one. And lastly, we need to install mingw, which is short for minimal GNU for Windows. It's a C++ Fortran compiler. So just follow that link. And once you are on this page, you'll be able to download. It will download the installer, then save the file, run the file, then it will install all the requirements that you need for installing mingw. I'm not going to do that because I've already done that. Now once you have everything in place, now you can proceed and create our simple our first program using assembly. So start your IDE. We are going to create just a simple hello world, just to demonstrate how to work with nasm. So I'm going to go create a workspace for my project. Go ahead and create a C application. For that, go to File, click on New, then see project. Since we are going to display just a hello world, I'm going to call my project hello world. Select mingw gcc, go next, go to next, then finish. Click on your project, go to properties, C++ build, go to settings, click on GCC assembler. On the command option, type in nasm, go to general, type in -f lf 64 if you are on a 64-bit operating system. If you are on 32-bit, then I think the 64 can be omitted, but for my case I have to include it. Then go to miscellaneous. I'm going to use C11, so I have to specify it. Then apply and close, and try to build your C application. See and check whether everything is working. So it seems to have worked. Let's try and run it and see whether it will display hello world. So it's a success. Now to do assembly, click on source, create a new file. Let's call our file grit.sm, then finish. Once we are here, now we are able to do assembly. I'm going to demonstrate how to display a simple text using assembly. So to do that, I'll say global. The first line will tell GCC where the entry of the program will start. Now I'm going to use the C library for puts. So to do that, I'll specify extern puts. Then I'll also use a selection text. Let me change this to start. Now I need to reserve a shadow space. I don't know why we do this, but it's a requirement for doing assembly using nasm on Windows. Also need to give the message that I want to print out an address. I also need to call the function, the C function that I want to use for print, that will help us to print out the message. Then I also need to remove the shadow space. To do that, I will say add RSP then the message that I want to display will be hello. Now let's build our program and see whether it works. First of all, before we build, we need to copy this, then go to our C application and paste it here. And let's try and build our application and see whether it will work. It seems to have an error. Oh, it's supposed to be call. Save it. Run it. Everything seems to have worked. Yeah, everything seems to have worked properly. Now let's run and see whether it will display anything. Now it has been a success. So it's, as you can see, it has displayed hello world from nasm, which is coming from our assembly file here. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like my tutorial, and I'm going to share these links on the description below. So thank you for watching my tutorial. Have a nice day.